Pineda will still drop same, you know.
Better.
Alright guys, so I go on here. So prefect finish paint out inside.
Yeah, so yeah, you have space between them. So.
That's a good man, the pot, door man, calm down.
Yeah, don't you know. It's like a comeback. You know, say cocoa pot comeback.
Come back. Yeah, nothing.
You see, it's still like a porridge. You can eat like a porridge, you know, the porridge bun.
Yeah.
Porridge bun.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Well guys, so we are at the hardware getting another gallon of paint, you know, the pink, you know, that prefect they want to complete the spots them that's been left over, you know. So we stopped off some of the members them already head on to Cranberry, but we are just literally here trying to get that, you know. So we're here at prefect there, and my sister is here as well over there with Cairo, Pinedo and Gio is with me. But the next car now gone with the rest of the guys them already. So but the system, you know, that made the paint, you know, it's rebooting, it's updating, so it's taking a little time. So literally waiting on it for finish update so we can get the paint and literally go. We've been waiting like probably about 20 minutes now, but I guess the system is taking long to update, you know, so that is what we're doing right now. Yeah, so Marge and the rest of the team is reached by now, so we're just here waiting to get the paint and bulb as well too, and then we'll be out of here. So you can see,
thank you.
System still a reboot. Yeah. You can't do it.
So it makes sense to go to Chris that we have to call him see if we find out what is happening.
So the same thing happened with that as well too?
No, that's a shaker. I live by the law of the country. For them country like can't stand.
So it's reboot, it's restarted now, so I guess it's gonna be ready when it restarts and come back on. You know, so time is ticking. You know, so today on the menu we're gonna, well, Felicia want the sweet potato and the pumpkin dumpling today, you know, with the curry chicken with the coconut milk. So so we're getting a curry coconut chicken today, you know, with some fish on the side for we to eat. Chicken. Say hello. Hello. So subscribe to Uncle Akeynote's channel. Like and share.
How many likes they should get, Cairo?
5,000.
I don't know. It's 5k likes.
5k likes.
5k likes. 5k likes.
I said no, not thousands. 5k.
5k likes. So guys, you hear that?
Subscribe and give Uncle Kino 5K.
Yeah. So Kyra said 5K likes. Can you guys do that? 5K likes. That's all impossible.
No.
For my view.
One day.
One day. But for now.
Well, we get the 100K subscribers.
Most of my viewers, they don't like, they just watch. I know most of them watch from the TV.
Yeah.
You know, so
sometimes
but you have to learn how to like it from the TV. You have to also learn how to like it from the TV. Or if you have a smartphone.
Sign in on them TV. Sometimes watch my TV and sign in, you know.
All of that as well. So if you're not signing on the TV is a problem. So if you have a phone, you can just like it from the phone and then go back to the TV. You know, so yeah. So I guess the likes help the algorithm, so it keeps the program trending, you know. So it's recognized in the algorithm, you know. So continue to do that. I guess you have to probably have to turn it on now, you know. Yeah, I think it happens.
So now it's updated down to the big screen, yeah?
Alright guys, so you know what, the system is not functioning, you know, so basically we have to go away and come back, you know, because the system is for the mix the paint, so that is not working or it's supposed to. So I'm gonna call them, you know, give them some time and see if we get updated after a while, but we cannot wait again because we've been waiting for too long now and time is flying by. So we have to head on and then if anything I have to drive come back, because there's no point waiting because it's really messing about. So yeah, microwave. Yeah.
The micro bag.
Oh yeah, look at them. I wonder where them going. Put the last piece out.
I don't hear and call you.
See there.
Yeah. Yeah, but yo. Huh? See Akeynote? Got him. Mario there. That's it, Mario on. Super Mario. Let's go.
Everything there. He's sneezing. He never take off him socks.
Eh?
Him socks.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. Want to take it off now?
Before him walking in the water, yeah. Alright guys, so we're here finally. Yeah, so I guess we have to go. I have to go head back down there to get the paint after the system is updated. You know, I have to go and do that. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna get stuff organized and get everything ready. You know why? How I go on?
Yes, sir.
Well, the cement left back.
Come in.
So the man them left the cement.
Yeah, Spraga. And the man them gone left it. Spraga then said to carry.
No, sir. No, me I go somewhere and come back. But me have to take it out. Come on. I put it on there.
And through my look and see here and alone having the light this time, you know? No man, that boy ain't gonna come back to man, boy. Care about something and gone. We must take a call.
Yeah, they're gonna do that.
Okay.
They're gonna do that, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, rip a canteen all the way down. You don't reach far already. No, man, canteen is here, man. Eh? Come on, which thing I said? Canteen I go and see you and rip him, I reach far already. I really get rip on the break.
Oh, you mean?
Give him a crack skin up. Yeah.
You know, can I reach the vision and rock this one?
Alright, yeah.
Oh, the car boy, yeah.
Boy, I'm not going to come inside.
My car boy. My car, the people can't come. Whoa! Boy, you're going to scale fish.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Wait, hold him.
Yeah, man, hold him.
Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Go. Good, perfect. Eh?
No, I think in the car. Oh my God. Come here. Potato. No cracks. No cracks, eh? What's the thing here? I walk and I go up here and I catch me in a this. You hear me say?
Cairo,
not the same.
take off your socks.
Eh? Come here, Cairo.
Okay,
You can't see the head this up. Oh, turn around.
Yeah. Cairo. Felicia, if you want, you can walk up here, so you know. Fel, if you want, you can walk up here, so. No, man, 30 grand. Pinedo, make you walk up here, so. No.
Hey, get the foot.
Yeah, Felicia, walk up the song.
That's why easier. What that's
No, he not the camera, Barta.
No, that's a shallow.
Yes, a shalom.
Camera, Barta.
Yeah, man, the camera won't catch you.
Yeah, walk get Pinedo.
And the wrong man a guy there, you know, someone I like to drop. Yeah, the wrong person a guy there. Mr. Jopley.
Man can walk here so we
Can't come straight across.
Much better.
Yeah, straight across.
Water
much
look too
better.
bad. And Pineda will still drop here,
Yeah,
man.
much better.
better.
Yeah. And now catch me, babe.
Pineda will still drop here, man.
Yeah, catch me there, don't catch me. Oh.
Morning, Nana.
You bring fish up, fish. Yeah, some bring fish.
Hey guys, it's boom day today. It's boom Earth Strong day today. Here is boom Dynamite. And everyone is saying happy Earth Strong fireman.
Blessed and one love.
More life and more strength. You know. Let me say it's going strong to you, man.
Yeah, 57.
50 and 7. Keep counting. Yeah. One Dynamite. Guys, so you don't know anything else. Wish him a happy birthday. I'm say Earth Strong. Rasta say Earth Strong. Yeah. Rasta don't deal with birthday, they do Earth Strong, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I got my 16 up, my 16 up.
Oh.
No?
Boom. That's 16 up.
57.
See? Then I don't even look it.
57 still going strong, see me. That is it. So guys, we get some drinks for Boom as well. So Boom's going to celebrate. We're going to say birthday. You know, we have Jenna here today.
Yeah.
See, Jenna only come when she European dumpling is here. You know.
That's my name.
When there's sweet potato dumpling is here.
That's my name.
Jenna is here.
I'm gonna be here.
Yeah. Whenever there's sweet potato dumpling, Jenna here. We have Pinedo. I go and smash out the coconut.
One team, you know.
One Pinedo, I go and smash out the thing. Then we have Gia here.
One gym team, you know. And your hand idea.
Yeah.
Curry coconut chicken.
Yeah, curry coconut chicken.
No
with
joke. Aki come give it.
Sweet potato dumpling.
Yeah, I'm gonna fish on the side. Today's gonna be a splendid day, man. Just check out that one, man. That one gonna be a bombshell.
Yeah. Chef, I go and see it. Chef. I want to curry. I use. Don't use what I curry.
No, man, I don't want them I use, man. Two of this, my boss, I read 4 of them bring.
No, yeah, flip back.
When you rub it up, taste it.
Yeah, 4 of them bring come, 2 that got one and that. Next one, the bow, man, in the bag, same place in the bag. Same place in the bag, next one there. 2 that we just bust, you know. I bring a bag with curry already, you know, sit down. You show funny.
When you rub it up, just taste it and see
no,
what
man,
shot.
sir. And next one, about the place, you know.
About the place?
No, man, the bag, man. 4 of them we bring from the bag.
This?
Yeah. Yeah, listen now, rub it up and...
Taste it and see if it need anything, okay? No, we can't taste it.
And the man never bring Antoine yet in a brother.
Antoine there.
Antoine, it's a big bag of Antoine, so. You see when the fire say today, no?
There. Yeah.
Big
Yeah,
knife.
see Antoine around, so.
Yeah, come can't do what you put in the brother. Both of them.
See bag here, you use see a tear bag, you just use the bag and just come so. And hold it so. And just leave them out.
Charge you on the current?
Yeah.
Alright, I can't.
Where's shot?
The bag with the salt.
She's salting for me.
You don't put more salt in it. If I start the shot, you know,
Yeah,
put more in it.
Alright. And drop the rhythm and season them funny. Man, I took all the empty one here from the now.
Box the right place up. Man, I bring that box set up. Can't put them on it. Let's see this for the fish. Lifestyle.
So guys, so welcome to Charge Jacuzzi Corner. This is called Charge Jacuzzi Corner. Charge Jacuzzi Corner. All I need now is a couple chairs around here, Charge. Yeah.
Back and forth.
Make some lazy boy bench.
Yeah.
So here is Boom celebration there. Boom is celebrating well.
No, that's funny to talk.
Boom is celebrating well.
Child, yeah.
It's Boom Day today.
Yeah.
Earth strong.
Oh, a boom song today.
Mm-hmm.
You want long live the king.
Yeah. Like how the day was celebrated today.
I've got flower here, Rasta.
Rasta them I got flower here, you know. Oh, you bring bulla. Guys, remember bulla.
Where you want powder?
Rasta bulla. The Rasta man come with the Rasta bulla. Them want to fill up the Rasta bulla. You don't want the bread, them want the Rasta bulla. Where's the Boom? Them want piece of the Rasta bulla. No white bread, them want the Rasta bulla. No white bread. We'll get some coal up a black here and come back.
Oh, so I don't have none.
No, but I go over there. I would have some in the bag already. So we just drive and I'll get some up here for. Because we are here.
Daddy.
Take time.
Ready.
And tone on them sound.
Daddy.
So we don't finish that day over there, so.
You know what?
Oh yes, switch by already. Down back to the original daddy.
And my father.
So Arias are right there, so.
Yeah, go to your father and look up for Tino. Yeah.
She don't want a new father again, she switch.
No, we're not related.
Yeah, my sister said you're going to find a new father.
I tell her, so you are my father.
So what you got to tell Arias?
So what you tell Arias?
My uncle.
You sit it out to uncle.
Arias, she demote you. She demote you, Arias. But them done? You want them put them back there? A tish and bola and a tish and this. Cranberry, get that blue bag there, please. No, nobody give them yourself. What the coal bag there? Felicia, watch me now. It's shallow?
Yeah, stand up in there.
But no, don't chew it. Don't take it out.
Which one?
Go chew it out, him go feed. Go on, white. Them go on.
Camera, boss, make him eat it on them. No.
Make him test it, all this.
Yeah, man, make somebody go down and test it.
I don't want to see him drop off. Yeah. I was 200 say now. See, that's why I said that stone should have moved from this one.
Come on, side. No, come on, side.
Gee, so me tell you about that stone, the dangerous there, sir? Yeah. That's why I say when time the color change, you can't see it. Alright, come. You get the coal. Coal and oil. Blackie? She not there? Blackie? Remember say? Blackie, you be so with me, you know. Cause me gone in a age. Remember? We all know.
It took me so long for reach here. I've been walking since 10 o'clock. And I don't know I'm gonna reach home. Oh boy. Blackie, you have a chair I can sit down? Hey Blackie? Blackie? Boy, when they get home, people don't look for you no more. Miss sorry. Me could have be a mother too, Blackie. Oh, a Blackie name? You think you have a different name? More some coal. You have coal, Blackie? Yeah, and in a who? In a meat. So you can't take out the hand. She don't come out yet. But see one little young man out here, is that your son? Hey Blackie? Can you get him to sell me? I'm really old, I can't stand up for too long. Ah? Miss what? Me have bag. Miss one young man I play with the goat.
Yeah.
I fear you that.
No, but he can't tell you.
Okay. Young man. Boy, me I tell you, Blackie, you have no ice water in them, I'm thirsty.
No, the fridge lock.
The fridge lock?
Yeah.
Want the pipe water?
The pipe dry.
Blackie, I deal with this whole hole.
Eh?
Yeah.
Water selling nice shop.
Can I get one for $50?
120 and 300.
120 and 300. Blackie? Remember saying, little pension, let me get it, and last me for long.
How are you saying?
Yeah.
But it have to pay you, you can't keep it.
Let me trust you till next week, please.
You can't keep it, you have to spend it.
Let me trust one water now.
Money can't eat, you know. You have to spend it.
But Blackie, you make my throat get dry. Me I call you too long and me I talk too long.
Eh?
Can I get some water, please? Me will trust it. Oh, see the young man with the goat here. Young man, your grandma say you must sell me some coal. Oh, I mean your mama. My name goat about me. You can curry them already. You can curry them.
Alright. How you go then, bro?
Oh, alright then, Blackie. I'll catch you later. Alright, mommy. Alright, Blackie. I'm gonna beg him some coal. To beg? Oh gosh. Alright then, Blackie, later. Thank you.
No, sir, guys, the pay no play no. The pay me no mind, I'm in trouble. So, Blackie son, I go sell me some coal.
Mas John.
Let me get $800 coal then. Let me see what $800 look like. Huh? You don't know?
Today, Blackie said, Blackie didn't give me one bucket of coal.
How much is that fee bucket? 99%.
Alright guys, so literally went to the hardware, you know, go get the paint and just got back. How about that? I white that? More white. I'm not kidding. Good man. You need to touch out to go on. I'm more than that in it?
Yeah. Whole heap of.
Charge. I'm more white than this in this. Use it?
Then
Why you supposed to know someone you can?
Eh?
You're supposed to talk, look at the try.
I look a bit that. But they're gonna say I have to touch
Drop
up
it, drop this all this morning now, start the place, you know.
I still on already, you know. When they paint them left, after when we have to do the work,
Yeah.
touch out some place. That's it, not sure. That thing there. That's remember that 100 times already. Each time I come and sing a paint them, always say yes, yes, do this.
You know, man, for do that charge, as I said, I must have budget. Yeah, work with budget, you understand?
In the first screw, in the first screw, I'm going to give 2
And
screws.
then I have a paint in the white.
I figured that out.
They're going to use that paint there. Because them can't get that.
What them one day?
Yeah man, I say them dirty. So you have to do a wash them off and paint them with that color.
Budget is.
For 3 hours until the speaker glitched instead of repeating the same word over and over.
What's your foot now? Put your foot.
What word? That one.
Yeah.
Why is everyone so
Me that say the bunk bed.
Yeah.
Another one is a gillless.
More space.
Cluster though.
Yeah.
So we have to get another bunk bed.
Yeah, put that on so.
Yeah. Put that bed there on you, so.
Yeah. So and you could have turned the bunkers then the way.
Which way? If not, the door got black out.
Yeah, why not?
So next one have to come across over there. So.
But you have more space because that's a beaver but 4 feet. It's actually, wow. It's actually 6. Okay.
They can't live without each other.
It's too close.
No movement.
all go on a picnic together? So our girls can be together and hang out.
Mrs. Naughty, you're not gonna punish us for that
4 or 5.
photo prank, right?
4 feet 5.
This
3 feet 3. Yeah, so yeah, you have space between us. So. You have 1 foot
at least
5 inches.
Yeah. Better than what they
free
have.
movement.
Yeah.
Free movement to rest.
So you have to like one there.
Yeah. That's what I forgot going. And then cause instead of buy charge them a double bed like this, just give them that bed here. Yeah. And just try to get them under the bunk bed the next day.
Yeah, that more spaceable.
Yeah, cause with this no space. Cause you know actually small when I realize.
Watch me now. One of the things when I stay with you, so we need to inch a door outside.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah. That door needs to inch outside.
I take up too much space.
It take up too much space and them things there, so that needs to inch outside.
Yeah.
That inch outside now you're good. That's the one thing we have to move.
Yeah.
Just flick it.
Go flick over.
Yeah, no? Screw it up.
Take the punishment for you. What? No, you're not lackeys. You're my friends.
Take off a stripper.
What do you mean? Then what are they for?
Take off a stripper. We're going to flip around the inches. We're going to turn the inches. So actually, you're going to put that side there. On the side there. In order to turn.
So okay. You say we take off that one.
Yeah, you have to turn the inches. You have to turn the inches.
Turn.
No, this is on the outside, yes, sir. So you have to take off the stripper.
So the piece of that.
That's a need for cut off, too. Charge you go for saw.
Oh, that have a cut
Yeah,
off.
this half a cut off because it will stop the door from.
Yeah.
Yeah, down there. Let me see. No, when it make can go down, you know, it make can go down more. So
It have gap. It have
yeah, it have space down there, it can go lower. So first and foremost, screw out this. Yeah, man, down there.
Yeah, man. You must get my power again.
Screw out this. We could start in here. Yeah. No, go right to start in here. Right to the Go up right.
There you go.
Come up here, sir. Yeah, screwdriver.
Oh, push out.
Yeah,
Rise it.
screwdriver first. Yeah, man. Type of nail is
Wrong meal.
no, watch this. Yeah, watch me now.
No, look here. Baby.
How can I hear that? Driving at that 3 inch nail.
Like a 2 inch. 2.5.
The long one nail let me use, man. The wrong nail.
Good morning, son. Ready to head out?
You bet! SpongeBob, don't leave your luggage behind.
That's not luggage. It's Patrick. He's coming with us, remember? Oh, shake a leg, boys. The Great Barrier Reef is going to
Your father's right.
Stick it on the outside.
Don't shake your tail.
This is Vevo, guys.
Can't quite get there. How about you?
Nana, you're eating the bed. That's not the sheet for the bed.
All right, let's turn down the volume back there.
Right, don't break this.
Yeah.
Right. The iron one.
Then rock out that.
In a 2D.
In a 2D, then rock out that.
Watch out now.
But
the something left in it and they went in there and dropped on the bed.
I forgot to buy the ball prefect.
Reach out there. I got to it passed every screw there inside and I suck it now.
I forgot to use our pliers.
You know, Michelle talk us to stop lock off the light, and she like lock off the light.
Take it right. Come up in here.
Nana, black cell bulb.
Hold on.
Alright guys, so while barging I'm going to do this work, now I'm going to the kitchen now. You know, I'm going to start get things prepared because time is really against us and we're behind on time really, you know, so nothing to start yet. And because sure I went to get the paint also, you know, so I haven't started doing nothing as yet, you know, so get the pot boiling right now and thing moving right now so we can just make sure we're not finished too late. Yeah. Alright, Baja, now I'm going to the kitchen go and start what I'm going there.
Go on to the pump.
Charge it. Black you sell bulb? Come forgot to buy the bulb, you know. A while ago, my dad had it. Yeah. Nana! Come here, Nana. She's supposed to know. Charge it, yes, I got break away, you know. Yes, I got break away, you know.
I put the water and the water coming to them.
Alright guys, so the regular duty is back up and running and you know the thing goes already, so I blend, now I'm going to juice coconut, you know, so today on the menu, as I said, coconut curry chicken and sweet potato and pumpkin dumpling, you know, that's what Felicia said she want to try. So finally get a chance to try it. Huh? Juicy. What that? Oh, it's not a job. Pinedo, come here then. Tune that now. I'm sure this thing. Bring your hand to eye.
I don't pick up.
I wipe back there right after bring it something.
Yeah. Go back in there.
Alright, put some more water. Camera lean off right here. Alright guys, so one big pot of coconut milk, one big pot of coconut milk here. So I'm going to blend the pumpkin, and then I'm waiting on the sweet potato as well too. So we're going to blend them together, you know. So I'm going to fry. So here what I'm going to do. So the fish now, I'm going to fry the fish with some of this coconut trash, you know. So it's going to be coconut trash, you know. So I'm going to use it in the flour and fry it. Yeah. Eh? No, I'm going to use some to fry the fish.
Yeah, you see?
Mm-hmm.
And you're gone, you see? So they can use it for fried fish and chicken.
Yeah. Just like coconut shrimp.
Fried fish. Trash.
Yeah. If I eat coconut shrimp yet, coconut fried shrimp. With the flour to hold it more. So the trash not burn too much. So the flour. Eh? Yeah, but use the trash with the flour. Use the trash with the flour. So the trash. So the trash alone not burn up. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna use some of the trash with some flour and fry the fish. You know, so we have the coconut milk ready. Topigrana pinedo is catching the fire. So I'm gonna blend up this now, the pumpkin with the sweet potato. You know, to make the flour next, right? So that's what I go on. So guys, I really like this environment. You know, charge a cozy corner. Up here is really cozy, and the corner. You know, very cozy, very cool. So all the things charging need now is some lazy boy chair to put around the area right here. You know, some lazy boy chair, and trust me, around here, very nice. The shade, the river and everything. Beautiful. It's a beautiful spot, man, I lie. Very beautiful. So back in the kitchen. So let me get the pumpkin and do the maths. So a cable here, okay, it's strong enough. So strong enough. Yeah, this is 8 pound. You know, so
you know where I named the food here? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Where are you going to name it?
I'm not gonna name it.
Yeah.
What am I going to name it? It's the same sweet potato and pumpkin dumpling. You know?
Sweet dumpling.
So I go on here. Big old pot of flour. Strength and power. All your might. Look like rain's coming over. Hopefully it don't rain, but I can see the rain coming over. So guys, I'm gonna get back to you. I don't want to run this footage too long, needing this flour. You know, so you see me when we finish. Alright guys, well, so I'm back again now. So here what now? Coconut milk been boiling, it's well seasoned up, and now this is ready for the dumpling. So I'm gonna put the dumpling in now, and we have the chicken over here. I go and simmer down a bit, you know, sketching it on oil, sketching it on oil and water. You know, so before we add the coconut milk to it and the seasoning, you know, the thing goes already. So I'm gonna put in the dumpling. Right now it's dumpling time. So see the dumpling here. Ready. Alright then, so guys, so here's gonna happen now. Dumpling time. So the weather look away, so you know we have to literally speed up the hand. But we're not rushing the cooking. Just speed up the hand, so just in case if the water comes, everything already in a pot. We don't have to be doing this. So first dumpling out of many, as you can see, next way. Yeah, so first dumpling out of many. Plenty to go. 50 dumpling. You know, I never count them yet. Only go.
What dumpling we get?
4 your limit.
Him say, what's pound they say?
8 pound.
8 pound.
60
dumplings.
No.
Alright.
10 too much.
They say, how much you make? We are get our make. Normally a 4, but if extra there we get an extra one.
No, how much you gonna make? Altogether,
Okay.
60 out of that. She said 50.
Out of 8 pound of flour?
Yeah.
More than that.
But you know, so I can't get so much more. It's like a size of me I make. Like them size, you know.
You can't make too much in a kaki, make them, you know.
That's a mix.
Yeah, no. Kaki, you can't say you're going to make 80, you make 80.
No, but me now can keep count.
Yeah.
Because me as a mix.
No, one number.
But how not going to know that? When it's shear out?
When it's shear out, we know.
Okay.
45.
Because otherwise, 45.
Me say 6.
So alright, so check how much people there, so. And if everybody get 4.
Hello, what?
We said check if everybody get 4. I'm just saying.
Start off with 1, maybe 2, and then you know, we'll go up extra.
Alright, so prep the seasoning for me 30.
Little small like, little sharp.
You're not going to change.
The coconut milk is well rich, you know. Yeah.
Oh, you know.
That one you can see it from, it never take long, you know, for start to settle. You start to get the custard early. Yeah, you see the custard I make. The cream. You see the cream already? Put the camera up on it. You see the cream? Yeah. Quick. And you see the aisle now? You see the up on the aisle? Yeah. Because that one is well rich. Remember 7 coconut. This one is 7 coconut. So that's a lot of coconut. 7 coconut. 7. So we're gonna have a olive. So some guys go and watch what go on. You know. So we're gonna get back to you when we finish roll these dumplings. Because look how much in that jar. That's a whole heap of flour.
How come them when them burn at the plate? Nana, how much dumpling you think you make out of that?
100.
100. Nana, please. Nana, how much you say? Nana, chill. 100. Nana, 100 for me.
I want to ask Cranberry. Cranberry, come here.
Cranberry. How much dumpling you
come? Look at the mic there, so you have to stay. So, yeah.
Cranberry, come here. That's really easy. Takes a lot to get up.
How much dumpling you think me I make?
Well, 85.
Cranberry say 85. Fun amount of flour.
You can't tell me.
That is like 3, 4, and 65. Yes, fella.
She said 65. Change her man. Alright, 65.
That not look
You
like
say 100, you say 65.
And Kina say something.
He said 60. But he say what?
45. We got more than one.
Give some more.
That look like a little bit of flour.
You say Kino?
Yeah. We're going, you know. So we're going, guys. We're going and we're going strong. So you know the thing goes. So I'm gonna get back to you when I finish rolling these dumplings because I have a long way to go. So I cannot roll all the film. Because Jamaica will say film. Yeah. And in the other countries they say film. You know, Jamaica say film. You know, film. That's what Jamaicans say. Film. I ask you if you think I lie. Yeah. Wait, say, or that say film.
Philip. No, film. No, film.
See, him say film. But it's film. It's film. Film. But we Jamaica say film. Yeah. Yeah. But you don't say what film, right? You see him say film. Every Jamaican say film. Me myself.
Don't go where themselves unless them have list down.
What you say? Film?
It's film. Guys, it's a film. Yeah, the FILM film. Yeah, we're gonna film this movie. We have to pronounce it, but Jamaica will say film. You remember film one movie on there, so you know. We create a lot, brother. Rampy Jamaica, you know. Rampy Jamaica, yeah. Kids them having fun, you know. While we're making some dumpling, pinning it over there, I go and prep the seasoning. Yeah, that's pinning over there, prepping the seasoning. He's making the thing active over there. So.
We want to go back in the water.
Come on. Hey, when him done him white.
Yeah.
Hey, come now, that's it.
Oh, river. Yeah, because Baja, one cloud the pass gone so you know. At that side they go. Yeah. Alright, Gio. So guys, so I'm say them boy that cloud, them not bite nobody. Yo, you see the man there if I look for him boom? Yo, the man that if I look for him, they not bite, they pure nice. You can't stop it, press the red button here and just stop it.
Big one, this one?
Yeah. Alright guys, see there? Every dumpling roll. Every dumpling in the pot right now. I'll go take it out, Joe, and put some coal in it. Alright. I'll go take it up and put some more coal in it. If it go and do thing. So here is the chicken. We're gonna simmer it down a bit. So we're gonna add the coconut milk into it. You know, with the ground seasoning. Can I take it out? You want to take it out? Hold it? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to apply the seasoning now. You know, into that. Now some thyme. And you can see what I go on in here, so put it like Christmas. It's pretty like Christmas. Just touched down in at the airport. So the fish now, we're not gonna cook the fish with anything. We're just gonna do the coconut. We're just gonna fry it up and eat it with the dumpling, because the dumpling already have the custard for the fish. You know, because chicken already here. You know, so pretty that is. One more pepper on top. Gia go and find the fire right there. So here. Yeah. So here we have the coconut milk. I got in the chicken. Rich. Really rich. Right, so let's stir it a bit. Yeah. Yeah, when last that smoke? When last the smoke has lived? Yeah.
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes? Ah, come taste it, see me. I'm going to split with in your mouth. It tastes good. Come on. Just turn on your hand. Up. I want there. Because I know you burn up your hand back. Oh.
Nice, man.
Nice.
Man. No, nothing more. Nothing more. Yeah. Nice.
Felicia, come here. Touch on that smoke. In that smoke. Felicia, come here. I want somebody whenever smoke. When you smoke with and cook, you know, you lose a little bit of your taste in the mouth because you spliff in it, you see me? So I want somebody not smoking. Felicia, come here. Come taste for me. Because the money that smoke.
Oh, that smoke?
Yeah. Pull it on me, bro.
So I get the flavor of it.
Yeah.
No one nothing.
No one nothing?
No.
Alright.
And my brother this now. Yeah. I said no one nothing. You don't want nothing.
Nothing.
But I eat it now with some bread. Some soft bread. No, the gravy tastes nice.
Alright, then that's good. So that can go and simmer down.
Yeah. Put your thing there.
No.
Smell like coconut cake. You don't want nothing at all.
Alright, so that's good.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Alright guys, so them said it's no need nothing more. You know, so you go and simmer down. So that I go and simmer. So the first pot already, I will drop on the fish and fry quicker and fast. So I guess the chicken will be ready more quicker. You know. So make it go and simmer down. You know. Alright, so the pot can go and stay off. Alright, so we go and smell up the place with the coconut, sweet potato and pumpkin dumpling. Smell up the place. Push, baby, push. I'm working at another restaurant. Pineda working at another restaurant. Neddy. Alright guys, so you know so we have like a flour here and we have a coconut trash. Right, so this is what we're going to use for the fish. You know? So I'm going to add a bit of all purpose. A bit of
Yeah, can I sit again at one time?
They get first chicken back yesterday and somebody there I see you when food down there.
Yeah, let me tell you about it.
This is the coconut trash
and the
flour.
You see?
Cooking with water with wow.
Jella.
Genocide.
Oh yeah.
Jella can't tell you so me cook with no water nothing.
The last time Jella asked me if I water we don't want water.
You know seasoning?
Mario.
Yeah.
I see we water we don't stretch.
It was ask Baja. Leave Baja outside.
Cook down till no say me cook with water at home. No matter.
Jella said it now. Jella said it now.
You feel it? It's like a paste now. Yeah. So when you go fish go on it now, it just lie down. It's the can. Yeah. So this now you can't even taste it like this, you know. Taste like it.
Oh, so just a while.
Yeah, it tastes like this. But they can't use it when the coconut trash not juice out too much. So it have more coconut flavor. Yeah. So guys, you know I'm gonna add the fish now. This plop plop, chop it in the back. Blap blap. Now you go sleep already. Take a 5.
Bring it down.
Yeah.
Come on, come down.
Bring it down, you know.
So one more special, guys. Coconut fried fish. Yeah. You're eating it raw as it is. Birthday, Mike, that's a special menu today. Coconut curry chicken and coconut fried fish. That already for you. No. Alright guys, so yeah.
Yeah, man, you don't want to
and fish are big, you know.
Coconut curry, coconut fried fish curry. So. The coconut fried fish. Looks like KFC though. I just discovered KFC recipe. I just discovered the KFC. Look guys, look. Just discovered the KFC. Look. This is how KFC that look. Just like this. Yeah. So the pot is, so the dumpling pot is ready, and the chicken pot over there is ready. It's ready. Ready. So guys, so tell me, you like the look? Oh, wow. KFC right now. Man, I say KFC. Look like KFC for you know. Looks like KFC. Nobody does it better. It looks like KFC. Nobody does it better. Oh, it's like KFC. KFC look.
Yeah, the corner stand look good. Alright, brother.
You never tried like never.
No. Never try it, you know.
Imagine when you taste it.
That means it's going to be a better crunch and thing, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that nana.
But I never know how to them slice which are big with them guinea.
No, I tell them on them big too.
You know, the big and the one slice up. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I go on here. So prefect finish paint out inside, and you can see the look looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Hey. That's not straight.
No, the plum. So we have put the stanchion in this, and I come in and plumb this because what happened? We just try to put it clear, but what happened, it can't go over there because it's something there on the left hand side. If you open, you can work behind yourself. See? So no, I'm gonna box it over there, so. Man, see there, it, you know.
Boom. See your beat there, and make your beat. When I can
Go come with it, man. So what's your phone, you know? Why on this?
Smell the pot. You just stop on the island. I'm not sorry. You just put it on. Let's
Look piece one, this is my one here, you know. Look piece one. See that? Oh, one this, you know. See that? People, see that? Look at fish on the side, you know. They call that side order. Side order. Yeah, man, look at piece. Yeah. Yeah, man, see this good, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. See that? Yeah, man, it's jelly.
I want to miss you, charge you.
Yeah, for real, man. When you get to Ripper, jelly. Yeah, man, see it here. You know that original, you know? Mommy River Queen, that here. Yeah, man, Mommy River Queen. The Queen from Mommy River, you seen? Beat that here.
You know what? That gone. That gone. Nah. Oh, Cranberry them. Come on.
And then this here come from, you know. Peter Keys and me come from. Come here, Carl.
Tara.
Get him.
Here, Tara. Hold it. Yeah. You know yours. Alright, take up yours.
Why want to see that?
Alright then.
Come on.
Baja. Oh, no, perfect. Boom, you still want more food up there on the pot?
No, I'm not getting nothing.
At the pot of yours, you know. Boom, say I'm not getting after the pot of female, Baja.
The pot of my own, you know.
Oh, but that's good. Which one am I want, Boom? You got the pot there already. Toko, you get yours? How much dumpling you want, Toko? 3? Can I mind 3?
Independent. Go on, cover, you know.
You want cover?
Yeah. You take up the sander?
Gio.
Yeah.
Respect your Akeynote. Enough respect.
Yeah.
And gym team, you know.
Ripper?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, food there, man.
VP up on the app too.
Alright, yes. You know, it's the wrong one, I give you about. So it go.
Can't sit it down.
Oh, you never started?
No, I'm not. I'll back that with the Empress.
Yeah. Oh, somebody share too much over, see me. Oh, Kenisha.
Ripper.
And Ripper. A fish. A fried fish, man. It's the way they call this coconut fried fish. Crumbs taste good.
What kind of dumpling them are?
This is sweet. This is pumpkin with sweet potato dumpling and coconut milk.
I don't know cook soup for me dinner, you know.
No, we have to leave that. Yeah. Kenisha. Hey, what is?
Oh.
No. It's like a J taco.
Hey, Kenisha.
We don't like the pan and eat, no? We have to eat sweets and not eat.
No, they get you.
Ripper. Ripper. Yeah. And lay bangry, man.
Alright. I think see yeah, I think for the plan already. I'm ask alright, come
Can you don't meat or beef? Yeah. Man, them say I'm gonna scrape out that party. Let me scrape before them scraping them. Them know how to scrape jail, so me and scrape before them scrape. Cause roast me and I use no gravy.
You know where fish there? Where fish there?
Which fish?
I'm not getting a fish.
You know,
Take a fish?
No. You're not getting a fish. What do you mean you ask where fish there? Where fish there?
Tina.
Me give you a fish, man.
Don't fish, yo.
So, Lord, you never get any fish, mate. Sorry.
Bro, don't
I swear, I'm glad.
fish there.
I will give a piece of mine. I'm thinking, so why you walk off?
My food done.
Because if you want to eat.
Yeah, you walk left the pot. I give a piece of.
Walk to the pot.
You couldn't wait. You can put your mouth in that pot.
My fish. Oh my God, my dog, I'm tired.
I will give you some of my fish. I think you get fish here, walk off.
You know me walk up long time.
I swear down. I'll give you a piece of mine.
Give me a piece of fish, you know.
Come, take piece. Take piece. Guys, I think she walk up, I think she get fish already.
You're not getting no fish.
No, the coconut fried fish.
Sure.
Sure.
Good man.
Nah, I tell Bartos to give me feed me, put my nose from now. I'm going to cook Alberta rice. So now we bring it though.
How are you doing, Baja? I just can you.
Yeah, man, give me.
Yeah, so you me say now, boom. At the birthday part, that's not for David, boom. You're a boom response to the part. Eh? But not for David, boom. A boom, boom, birthday part.
Boom. Boom.
Boom. Boom.
Boom.
Boom.
One time birthday.
What? See my airport. See a man airport.
Boom, them in the airport.
No, no, boom.
No, don't feel like it's not better stay close to it from now. Otherwise, but you taste the fish head. Yeah, see it.
We done long time, no? We done long time.
You know you done long time.
We done long time. 3 dumpling, my good. Done. Tired now.
But at least taste the fish, man. Yeah.
Boom, defend your partner, man. Defend your part. Man, go back and not on the left. Ano? Oh, God.
The water them done?
No.
Go on over this side, innit?
Alright guys, you know the thing goes. Get some love, so my time for feast. So what the man am fight for the pot. Hold on there. Boom, the man am gone at birthday pot. Prefect what go on?
Yeah, man.
All the fish are going.
Everything good, you know?
Everything good.
Everything good.
Everything great.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Gio!
Fish nice, pal. So I never get a bigger piece.
You know.
But, yeah, man. Anything where you touch a goal.
One scrape, so scrape out everything and put one.
Oh, I go on, boom, I go on the birthday pot.
Now wash all the pot in the too.
Right.
Alright.
Clean for mustard.
The birthday pot empty?
Yeah, whole 3 more outside, so you know, I say with that man I lick down.
Oh. Happy birthday to you. We got 7 dumpling for you.
7 dumpling for me for my happy birthday.
I rip up food and I plate there.
The pear, we're going to put this in now. Pear up.
Yeah.
Pear up. That's right. So we're going to put this in now.
Put what?
This. Watch out. Blind. We're going to put this in now. We can't make this waste.
Oh, you played full? But they want some of that? They want some of that? This soup. Yeah. Like a bar job in food, put some pan it, man. Say, some pan bar job played.
Coffee na jella.
Put some pan bar job played and wow.
Oh, chunk, bag, put look a bit pan bar.
So how far is wow?
My food, man.
Oh, so you get so much, how go on?
Me deep, but I want dumpling and come take out 2 out of that, you know.
Oh, you get out of birthday pot?
Me eat much meat. Yeah, man.
You get birthday?
Yeah.
G, you want more fish?
Yeah. The coke, right? So the most thing I say, I tell you, the pasta.
What that, G?
That pasta.
You can have. The mat. We are playing TV then.
Nah, you has it now, we have to see what go on. That tape? Can't make the seafood with.
Mad.
You touch the ground like you want. How go on? The pot doing not touch the ground.
I want to hold it, but you still
You have to try it, so go. Run him there. With the coat like fish.
Yeah.
Nice.
You can't hold that bar, John. And then you throw some in our cup.
Viewers, man, shot boy,
Breathe something.
See, no pepper almost burn me.
Oh.
Cheese! Cheese, Gino! Cheese! Good job. You know what this Gino should do? You know what it's Gino.
Where boom call it? Where near boom? Custard?
Yeah.
Get that name from?
That's a good man, the pot, low man, calm down.
Yeah, don't Gino. It's like a comeback. You know, say cocoa fat comeback.
Cocoa fat comeback. Nothing.
You see, it's still like a porridge. You can't eat like a porridge, you know, the porridge bun.
Yeah.
Porridge bun.
Around Pinay there now.
Porridge bun.
Gino, don't wait, say, get up the gun in.
Bun this now. Can't eat that, man. Shenko.
You want to play it, me?
No, come on, give me plate.
Budget, you good?
Shenko, there come back. Bring us a pot down and put the wash out.
It's like cake.
No, me never turn over with pot, you know. Last time I turn over with the pot, no man say, Gio, want play up. No man never say, yo, hold the pot,
Hold the pot. Imagine Gia dropping up. And I say, hold the pot. Them now say, hold Gia. And I say, hold the pot.
You know, say, I feel food in the pot too.
Food? Yeah. I put in the food. Come. Watch out. Yeah, watch out. No. I'm going to catch you. I go on now. Watch out. No. Boom. I want to go on. Watch out. Boom. I want to go on. I offer food that way. 30 grand. How I go on? Where's it? One dumpling gone?
One dumpling fry up.
No, wait, they gone.
Dog
them catch it quick and fast. Yeah. Say good then. One. Oh, Pinedo, at least have more dumpling in there.
Yeah.
And look what you're telling Baja, don't touch him. How are they?
No, give them that. Now bring them.
No, the coal in the bag, eh?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.